So in our last session, we have seen till personal details, right? So then I said that this today's class session we will see about the topic which we are going to cover is that how to handle multiple tabs. Okay, for that we will find one scenario first, then we will do that. Okay, so multiple tabs means what? So window, this is our window, right? This browser is having window. So here you can see that multiple tabs are open now, right? So we just need to go from one tab to another tab and verify some task and we'll come back again. So I'll remove this zoom for now. Let us say I will take a scenario. We'll come to this my info after updating this personal details. Okay. So this will come to this my info. Then okay, we'll create a different scenario only. We'll not add in that scenario. Okay, so another test case we'll create. We'll log in. We'll come to this page. Okay, we'll come to my info. Then I want to open this dashboard in another tab. Okay, then I will verify that I am under dashboard or not. And I will verify some text over here. Then I need to close this one and return back to the my previous tab. So that is our scenario that we need to automate. Got the scenario?
Yeah, Rashmi. In our my application also there are some flows like uh,
Mm-hmm.
application will open new tab
Okay.
only entirely.
Hmm.
So it's it will open different application only
Right,
from
right,
the parent to other downstream system.
right. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So we'll cover this scenario. With that, our main intention is we can learn also how to handle multiple windows through Selenium. And we'll cover this scenario. Okay. So under my info feature, we can create or okay, we'll do one thing. We'll create a new feature. Later, I will tell you like how to create in one. For now, we'll do it in like handling window, right? What we'll do, switch tabs dot feature. Okay, I'll create another one, switch tabs dot feature. And I'll close this all. I don't want this all. Is a drop down orange, my info feature, test runner, dashboard, mine. Okay, so everything I closed. So I need this scenario to be there. I want this scenario. Okay, so this is the scenario. Before scenario, we need to add a feature, right? So here you have to add one feature. So we just need to add the feature name over here. Feature name is similarly, I can give here handling multiple tabs or window. Okay, so this is our feature name. So this feature is having scenario user logs in. What is the scenario? User will logs in, open dashboard in the new tab, verifies it and switches back. So this is the things we need to do. Okay, so before starting this scenario, I'll tell you what are the predefined methods is there in Selenium for this handling windows. Okay, so for handling windows, we have this method called, I can show you in somewhere. I'll go to some page for now. I'll just, for sample, I'll just show you. When I do driver dot, then we have get window handle and get window handles. Okay, there are two thing is there. One is get window handle method, another one is get window handles. These two methods will help to switch between multiple tabs. Okay, so if you want to handle only one window, then you can use get window handle. Multiple windows you want to handle, then you can use get window handles. So in return type, you need to remember return type is for get window handle. The return type is only string. Because we are handling multiple windows at a time, then it will return set of string. Okay. So this is what the return type of these two. So these are the two methods you need to see, remember for handling window. Then we have another method called once you get window handle and get window handles, this will give you how many windows are open or how many tabs are open in your browser, that it will return. Okay. Then what you need to do is you need to switch from one tab to another tab. So that we have another default one that is called switchTo method. Okay, switchTo method will switch from one window to another. Here then when you do dot again, it will show you which window you want to switch. Okay, so that you need to put, and then you have to give the window name or parameter you have to pass. So switchTo will help you, switchTo method will help you to switch from one window to another window. Okay, then once you are in this window, so let us say dashboard window, then after verifying, after doing the verification, what you need to do, you need to come back to the previous one. So to come back to the previous one, again, you need to switch to, you will use driver.close to close the current tab, or else you can use driver.quit to close all tabs and end the session. Okay, you know about this driver.close and driver.quit, right? So where we close current tab through close method, through quit method, we'll close all the tabs and the session will end over there. Fine. So these are the predefined methods that it is having, Selenium is having. Okay. So we'll see this scenario first. What is our scenario? Our scenario is, go back to the feature. So our scenario is, sorry. Sorry, our scenario is, first is we need to log into our Orange HRM page. Then we need to click on My Info page. Then we will go to the dashboard tab. Then we will verify dashboard page that is loading correctly or not. And we will verify some text over there. Then we will switch back to previous tab again. Previous tab is your My Info page, right? So that tab we will switch back again. Okay. So can you tell me the given when done method for this? First it will be given, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Given, let us say user is on the,
Login page, right?
yes, Orange HRM,
Yeah.
Orange HRM login page. Okay. Okay, this is first step. Okay, one thing. So when you already created this login page methods and all, and if you want to use the same method here again in another feature, so you need to write the same steps. Whatever lines are written in your page, right? So another features, the same you need to write. Then it will point to the method if you want to use it. So here we have written admin is on Orange HRM login page. So we need to give this one only over here. Then it will point it. Or else it will ask us to create a new step definition for this one. Okay. So we have already have this method. So step definition. So we'll use that one only. Okay. So admin is on Orange HRM login page. Then what is, we have this one also after that. This is also same, right? When admin logs with valid conditionals. So we'll take the same one over here. Then what is our next step? Our next step is user clicks on My Info section. So we have that one also. We'll take that also. And My Info section. Till here it's fine. Till here it's done. Then we need some more new step definition for this, right? So new step definition will be, and after My Info sections, what it will do? Admin or user, admin opens dashboard in a new browser tab. This is our new task we need to do, right? After doing coming here, what I need to do? We need to verify there. For verification, what we will use? Then method. Then dashboard. What is dashboard page? Should be visible. Okay. So should be visible. Okay. That's it. Should be visible. Okay, so it will be visible. Okay, we need to verify text, right? So that also we'll see like how to verify text. Later I will tell you how to do that. Then once it is done, then we have to switch back to the info page again. Then and user switches back to my info section. Okay. So that's it. These are the things we need to do, perform. These are our, we have written our feature file. Then we need to work on the step definition for the same, right?
So here then we can use in between as well, right? In between actions.
Which one?
Then.
Then that is then whenever it is required for verification, you can use them. The next one again, it will be for another scenario, right? When and again it will come. If there is
Okay.
there is no mandatory that if you write and then you have to complete it with then. There is no mandatory like that. Okay. So now what we need to do? We need to go to the step definition. So this is our step definition, right? Over here, what we need to do, we have these methods already. First is this given one is there. Then login method is also there. Okay, navigate to my info section is also there. Then we need to create for clicking on dashboard, right? So clicking on dashboard in a new browser tab, that we need to do. Fine. So for that, we need to create a new one. So what we will do is, give me 2 minutes. I just need to open up the door. One second. Okay. So what is our requirement? Our requirement is, what is it? Switch tabs, when navigates, admin. Okay, this one. Admin opens dashboard in a browser tab. Okay. So this is what we need. For this, we need a method. Public void. Okay. Public void admin underscore opens underscore dashboard underscore dashboard underscore in underscore new browser. Okay, so method is this one for that. Fine. So we have done it. So inside that, what we need to do, we need to go to that. Okay, we need to go to, first we need to click on this dashboard, right? Fine. So first we need the dashboard page. Then we'll click on that. Then we'll come back and see that we are able to log into there or not. Okay. Okay. For that, we need to create one dashboard page. We have this dashboard page already, right? We have the dashboard page. This dashboard page is for what? Total
Uh,
dashboard. Huh?
it's just to navigate to my info.
Okay, okay, okay. There we have this. So we have this dashboard page. Then what we need to do is, one second, dashboard page here. First, we are after login, we are directly landing on dashboard only, right?
Yeah.
Okay, okay, okay. So, okay, then we are going my info and okay, fine, no issue. I just choose dashboard first now. Okay, fine. So here under dashboard page, so why you have my info under here? Should have my info under my info page. We will clean up later. This one. So here what we need to do is we need to
Uh, Here we have added this one to click on my info.
hmm, so no need. We'll have one more over here to click on dashboard also, right?
Yeah.
Click on dashboard. Okay, dashboard. Then we will have this dashboard one. Okay, inspect. Then what is that? Span tag dashboard. Okay, copy. Then it's under span tag. Span text equal to, then we have dashboard. So it is pointing there. I can copy it. Then come here by dashboard. Okay. Dashboard tab. By dashboard tab by dot XPath. This is the XPath for that. Then you come here, click dashboard. Here just dot dashboard tab dot click. Okay, we created one method, dashboard tab dot click. Okay, then we'll create another method over here. That is, once it is clicked to dashboard, we need to verify that this text is there or not. Okay, so what we will do is we will verify first this one. First we will find the XPath for this one. Inspect. Okay, it's under H6 tag and we have dashboard. Okay, so in Selenium we have one method called getText method. What this getText method do is, wherever you find text under elements, right? Like here it is under H6. That time it was under span tag, dashboard was there. So if wherever text is there under the elements and you want the text to get and verify that text, then you will use that getText method. So getText method will do, take the text and so you need to store it in some string. Then you can verify that string concept. Today we will cover that in Java as well, so that you are clear, you can be able to understand what I'm saying. But for now we'll see that H6, it's under H6, right? So we'll take this H6. So H6. Okay. So from this, it is pointing there, right? So from here, we need to get this dashboard tag also. So when we do this, it is only interacting with this dashboard, but I need that dashboard text also. So I need to extract this text from this. Okay. So I'll create a method for this first. Public. Okay. So here, what I want is exactly, I need to get the text and I need it in return. Okay. So I told you, right? Void will only void when you are using it, you cannot return anything over here. Okay. For returning the value, you need to use the data type, any data type. Like now we are handling the string. So I will use string over here. Okay. So I'll create a method get dashboard text. So what this method will do, this method will get the text and it will return a string type, because dashboard is a string, right? So it should return a string type. So if I'm, see, it is saying that it should have a return type. If you hover over here, missing return statement. Okay, because when you give a data type over here, it should give you a return statement. Okay, so this we already discussed in Java. Return type. Okay, return, what it will return? It will return. Okay, first we need to store that one, right? Dashboard text one. So we'll store it by dashboard text. Okay, I'll create like this by dot XPath. Then I'll put it done, dashboard text. Okay, so dashboard text return. So you can, return spelling is wrong. Dashboard text dot. See, when I do dot, see, I'm not getting this get text method here. Why? Directly by class cannot have this get text method. Okay. To get this by get text method, what we need to do, we need to use a explicit wait condition over here, so that it can call that web element, because the by class will not help you directly take it. So web element type will help you to get this get text. Okay. So what we need to do is over here, we'll create a, here I will create another object of WebDriver wait. Okay, so that is for explicit wait we use WebDriver wait, right? So I'll create a object for it, wait. Then I will use that wait dot. You remember the explicit wait syntax? Wait dot until.
Okay.
Yes.
Uh, expected
Expected conditions, right?
conditions.
Dot. So we can see when
Visibility.
I do dot, so many is there. According to you, you just see visibility of element located is suitable for us. If that element is there, then the locator is what? We have the locator already, dashboard text.
Dashboard text.
Okay. So if it is there, then what you need to do, dot get text. Now get text is coming.
Okay.
Got it? So get text. So this will return. Okay, what it will return? It will return dashboard. Okay, when this method will execute in console, you will see. So in console you can't see because we are not printing anything, but it will return dashboard. Okay, then that dashboard, what we will do, we will verify that because we have that, right? That we need to verify it here in this line. Fine. So for that we have created one method over here. Okay.
Yeah. So Rashmi here, driver dot find element with the dashboard dot get text will not work.
That one will first, it is good to have the visibility first, then get the text. Okay, so if you do like this, return driver dot find element dashboard text dot get text. Okay, so sometimes, okay, so what error it is throwing? Okay, because we have two, right? So that's why it is throwing. Now it will work. Okay, there is no issue with this. But in the when in you are writing in a general way, when we do in a framework, what we do is for busy, when we verify any text, right, we always use the explicit wait over there. First we will visible the element, then we'll get the text. First, we'll verify the element is present there or not, then we'll interact with that. So if you see right now, we have not used explicit waiter anywhere, but in a real-time project, for everything, right, we are going to use explicit wait,
Okay.
especially on the verification one.
Okay.
Okay, fine. So this one is done. Okay, then we'll go to our step definition. Our step definition is my info steps. What do we need to do over here? We will have this login. We have this all till admin opens dashboard. Huh? This one is required, right? So here what we need to do is we need to handle now window concept. Okay. So handling window, we need to use another concept that is called, we need to call JavaScript executor. Okay. So here what we need to do is we need to have JavaScript executor to handle the multiple windows. Okay, so how to do that, I'll tell you. First thing is we need to create an object of JavaScript executor. Okay, then you need to fetch the how many windows are there, tabs are open. Okay, so then you can have it through get window handle and get window handles method. Fine. Then what you will do, that will return the string type. And if you are handling multiple, then it will return the, what it will do, it will return the multiple set of strings. Okay. So we'll see one by one how we can achieve it. Okay. So for JavaScript executor, what you need to do is, so there is a syntax for that also. JavaScript executor. Okay. So this one, this is an interface what we need to use. So we'll invoke driver to our JavaScript executor. Okay. So then dot, it is having one method called execute script. Okay. So execute script, it will have, and then inside that we'll have window dot open. It will open the window. Okay. This will open the window. Fine. This line is 2 open the window. Fine. So this one, we'll use a JavaScript executor. Then we'll have driver dot, I told you get window handles, we can have it, right? So here we will take this get window handles. Okay. So this get window handles, what it will return? I told you this will return a set of strings. Okay. Then we need to put that in a list set, and either we can put it in a set or else we can put it in an array list. Okay. These are a little bit advanced concept of Java that we have not covered yet. But for now, you just know that these are the concepts we are going to learn also, that what is said, what is a list, these all. So now I just see that how it is storing it data. Okay. So what it will do is I need to create, sorry. Okay. Array list type, because it's all a string type. So I will put a string type parameter over here, and I will give a array list name, that is tabs. Okay. So then this new array list, because we need to invoke that array list, and we need to put this driver dot get window handles. Whatever set of strings it is going to return, that we need to add it in a array list. That is here under tabs, it will add. So it will return set of strings. What does it means? Right now 2 is there, right? So it will return 2. Okay. If it is 3, it will return 3. 3 types open, 4 types enters, because that is under set of strings only, it will return, not in integer type. Okay. So tabs, we did it. Then what we need to do is driver, once you get the set of strings, then what you need to do, which one you are going to switch. I need to switch the second tab, right? So I will use switchTo dot, okay, window. Then what it is saying, string dot, because it is return type is string. Okay. String type name or handle. Either you can give the name or the handle. Okay. Switch to window. Then you can provide this list. From this list, that is the tabs. Okay. From this tabs dot. Okay. Tabs dot. Get method you will use again. Get, then give the index position. We need to go to the first tab, right? So from 0th tab to, we need to go to the first tab. So that's why what you will do, you will just give 1 over here. Okay, it will switch to first tab. Okay, driver dot switch to window tabs dot get 1. So it will switch to first tab. Okay, then once it is switched to first tab, so what we can do is we can get the URL also. Which URL we are getting, that also we can put it here. That URL, get URL or get. I means it will. It is this one, right? Okay. So this URL, it will get over there. Okay. We'll see that how it will work. So till here it is done. So this is only to switch from one window to another. So for now it will be a little bit confusion, but just remember the logic, what you need to do. You need to add one JavaScript executor interface where you need to invoke your driver to the JavaScript executor. Then you need to have one array list to store the window handles, how many windows are open or how many tabs are open. For that, you need to create a array list and store that in that. Then you have to switch. For that, you will use switchTo method. Okay, for that you will use switchTo method, and then you just need to use window tabs dot which window you want. Let us say you want to go to the 4th one, 5th one, 6th one. You can put that index position. It will go over there. Okay, so that's what you need. Then once you go to this window, then you will verify the text over there. Okay, so that we will see. Then again, what you need to do, then you come back again to this window, right? So to come back again to the window, we have one more and navigates to, sorry, then you just switch back to my info section, this thing. Switch back to my info section, right? So that also will verify. So, okay, before that, what we need to do? We need to do this dashboard page visible text. This thing also we need to do, right? So we'll copy this. The info steps. What is that then? Then, okay. Then, sorry, public void this will be the method name again, dashboard underscore page underscore should underscore be visible. Okay, that's it. Dashboard should be under visible. Okay, fine. So here what we need to do, we need to verify. So verification we have done in, okay, we have get that right. This method we have it. So this one method we need to call in that step definition, get dashboard text. To get call this method, what we need to call this, we need the, first we need to create
Object.
a object, right? We have already created object, this one dashboard page object, right? We
Yeah.
call this, then through this dashboard page object, what we need to do, okay, that I'll tell you. Okay, so once you call this, then what happens? First, we'll get the text, right? I told you that this one, where is that? This one will return a text. That is, it will return a string. Sorry, it will return a string. So that string, we need to store it somewhere. We cannot directly call that string. Okay, we need to store it somewhere. Then only we can have it. So string, we can have it. We can store that in another string type. Okay, string type, let us say actual text. Whatever we are getting it from the
I think this object
browser,
we
that is
need
the
to.
actual text, right? Through the object. Yes,
Uh,
yes. Yeah, tell me.
okay, okay. Yeah, I think it's correct only, right? So that.
Huh. So this one, when you call this method, it will return a string, right? That string we need to store it in a another string, or else we cannot directly use it. So that's why I have added in one actual text string type. Okay. Then we need to verify it. To verification, we need to use if for now. Okay, then once the assert class I will teach, right? Assert, how to use assert class for verification. Then we'll modify this. Okay, so for now we'll do one if condition over here. Okay, what it is? So we need a actual text, and then we need an expected text also to verify it. Okay, so what we can do is we can pass this expected text directly from as a parameter. I told you how to pass a parameter. So I'll pass a parameter over here, string type expected text. From where this expected text will come? Okay, that I will tell you. This expected text will come from your feature file. From your feature file, this expected text will come now. How it will come over here? Can you let me know
Uh,
how it will
uh,
come?
we have to add one more annotation, like.
Yes. So here we can add it visual with the text. So parameters you can pass directly under the feature file with double quote. That what is the
Oh,
text? That is dashboard. So like this you can pass. Okay.
oh, okay.
Fine. So within double quote, you can pass it. Okay. So now you come to your with the text. Here it will be with the text, right? With the text is with the text. Okay. Now it is with text. Next, what you need to do when you pass the parameter over there, right? you have to add it in your then also. So how I will add? That is a string, right? For string, you can add it like this. Within curly braces, you have to add it as a string. That is a string. Okay, so like this you have to add, then you have to pass this expected test. So how it will work? See, when your feature file will run, it will come to line number 7. It will see that there is a parameter it need to invoke inside this. Okay, when line number 7, it will start executing, it will go to the respective step definition, right? So it will come here, and there is a string type over here we have already mentioned. The dashboard will come to the parameter here. Expected text will become a dashboard now. So now when you use this expected text in your method, so dashboard will be invoked. Got it?
Okay.
So here we need to figure it out that your actual text is equal to your expected text is not. Dot equals, okay, equals, you can use equals expected text or not. If it is true, if it is true, then what it will give? Just print it. Something you can do it over here. System.out.println, anything you can do. Print your actual test. I just. Okay. This way you can write a logic. Okay. This is also correct. Another way is also there. I'll tell you. I'll comment it down. Sorry. Then again, I'll use the if condition. If actual text is not equal to, this is another way. Equal to way we can do it. Another one is not equal to way also you can do. Is not equal to, okay, expected text. Well, for expected text, what we can do, we can, there is a case sensitive also is there. So we just need to ignore these cases. Sometimes this, when we pass the parameter, maybe it is not same in that browser. Then there will be a case sensitive issue. Then again, it will fail. So what we can do is we will have a method called equals ignore case. This method will use expected text. Okay. If actual text is not equal to expected text, then it will throw one error. Okay. Throw new error. What error? Error is actual text is not equal to expected text. That error it will throw. That error we can define it an assertion error. So this is a little bit higher concept. Okay. Assertion error it will throw. Okay. So this is what, this way also we can do it. But for now, I'll comment it down. This one assertion error, I will comment because that is not at right now. I have not told you. Then how to use assertion. So I'll use the simple method for now. So this is a simple method. If actual text is dot equals, then system.out.println actual text. Okay. So this will do this method. Then we have another method that is called, sorry, and user switches back to my info section. Come here. Your method ends over here. 1 second, my battery is low. Okay. So this method is ends here. Then we have at the rate when or and. So when, then we have this method user switches back to info section. We'll verify it on that. Then we'll back again to the info section. Okay. So that we need to do. So public void copy test. User switches back to my info section. Okay, this is the method name. And inside that, again, what you need to do, again, you have to call this array list. Okay, again, you have to call this array list to get the window handles for switching back again. Okay, so you just call this one and through this, you just need to switch. Again, the same thing you have to do. This driver dot switch to, but only the index position will be changed over here. What will be the index position? We are first here, we are in index position 1, that is the first window we are in, but now we need to go to the parent window is that 0 position, so just need to mention 0 over here. Got it?
Yeah. So again, that Java code is not required, right? On
No,
Mobile's
that
code.
is not required. Okay, so this is not required because all this is for opening the window, right? So already the window is open, we just need to switch. Okay,
Okay.
this two line of code is required for that. Got it?
Yeah, that is just a dummy window we are just opening, right? Just to testing purpose.
Ha. Hmm. So our code is completed for this. Let's run and see that it's working fine or not. So switch tabs dot feature will go to our test runner dot slash feature. So under this, first we'll save it, build the framework again. So every time you run it, clean and run. If long time you have not run it, just clean it. Build success, compile.
So it will
Very
run
simple.
both feature.
Huh. So what happened? Okay, it started. I didn't do anything. So if you see, it started running. Okay. So both the features, it came to dashboard. There it is. Test runner. Okay, there is some issue. There is one issue in this first one also. We'll see that later. What is the issue in the second one? It says cannot invoke WebDriver wait until Java. Okay, because this dot wait is null over dashboard page. Okay, this dot is null over dashboard page. Why it is null? We'll go again to the test runner. WebDriver wait until this dot wait is null. My info step 79. 79. String dot actual page object get dashboard text. So driver. Dashboard page object is correct. Okay, go up. We are calling this click my info, so there is no issue. Then why it is coming like this? Okay, we'll see now. Dashboard page, get dashboard. It says there is some issue with this WebDriver wait. It cannot invoke this WebDriver wait. Web type, wait, web element type. Dashboard element equal to, what is that? Web element dashboard element is equal to, I'll put this all. Okay. Text, then return dashboard element dot get text. Let's see through web element it's taking or not. Let's see it now. Test runner, run it. First, it will invoke the first test scenario. Then it will come to the second scenario. Let's see what it is saying. It's having the same issue, maybe. Okay, WebDriver wait, it is not taking. So we can do one thing. We'll directly use find element and see that it is taking or not. Okay, we'll see this in 3 minutes. I have a meeting. I thought I will complete this Java also, could not complete today.
Yeah, sure. So how many class left, Rashmi?
So today is the 12th one, right?
Hmm.
Okay, this one is done. So it's working fine. So it printed dashboard also, if you
Yeah.
see. Okay. So why this WebDriver wait it is not taken, we need to see. Maybe we need to put some
Local variable.
no. We need to put some weight also, right? Okay. We have not put it any weight. Maybe that's why it is not taken. So if we put some weight over here, where we are calling it, here we are calling it, right? So this dot weight equal to new driver weight driver comma duration of seconds, duration dot. Okay, you can try this way. If it is working, then good. Duration of second, let us say for 2 seconds. We will not wait more. Okay. So next, if you do wait, okay, now maybe it will work. We'll see this. Okay, you are saying about how many classes are left. I can say 15 more.
15. Okay.
Yeah. So by the 15 classes, we can able to create a good framework with multiple scenarios, and you can able to cover the Java concepts as well.
Yeah, weekday I am almost. I will be available 6 to
Mm-hmm.
7:30.
Hmm. Yeah, after 7:30, I also have a calls.
Hmm.
So that till 6 is 7:30 weekdays in the sense Tuesday, Thursday I can do. Other
Hmm.
days I'm also having calls and all things. So
Okay.
it's
Yeah.
okay. This one is worked. See that duration was having some issue. So
Hmm.
that way you can do it. This duration if you put.
Okay. Sure. I will
And
try.
this one is more some expert issue that we need to see. Level text street one. Okay, I was adding this thing. What is that? My info page. This contact details I was adding. So some issue with this. Okay, I'll see that one. Okay,
Okay.
now when you try this, I'll send it all the updated one, and then we'll see in next class. We'll start Java in next class first. Okay.
Yeah. Sure.